Welcome back, guys and gals. If you've been watching the channel and watching my last few videos, you'll see that I've been doing various jobs on a few of my different cars, and the last two videos have been on this one, my 1991 Nova GSi with the original 1.6 8-valve engine. I've had this car since 2004, but it's been off the road since October 2005, so it's my mission to try and get the work done and get an MOT on it, get it on the road and get using it. What I want to do initially is just get it on the road so that I can use it. I'm not going to do a full strip down rebuild. I'm not going to do a full-on perfect concourse restoration. It's going to be a case of do what it needs to get it roadworthy. What I can do then is I can drive it, I can enjoy it and not worry about it being perfect. And then over the years I can do a bit of a rolling restoration, improve bits as I go, and then obviously at some point in the future, if me and my girlfriend get us own house together and a decent garage where I can work on it, then at that point I could look at stripping it properly and doing a full proper restoration. But because it's been off the road for so long, I just want to get it used, I just want to get it on the road and get it working. So anyway, I put my nicely charged battery on. I've put 5 litres of fuel in because it was completely dead, completely empty, and I'm now going to see if it will start. I've already tried it once, but it had no fuel in it, so I'm just going to prime the pump a couple of times because obviously the tank is completely empty. I'll shut the door and just put the window down. Only thing I've found that's not working at the moment is the fan. That's the only thing I've found that's not working. Everything else is, my light, screen wash, my lights and everything are all working. I didn't know what to do with this because I'm wearing my battery down, but let's see if it'll start now with some fuel in. Yeah, it really was completely empty of fuel. There we go. Took a bit of time for the fuel to get through, but there you go. Got a good battery, good oil pressure, sounding sweet as well, sounding very nice. I can hear the pump seems to be sucking air though. Oh wow, that is running absolutely sweet. Just focus the camera, there we go. See, last time I started it, it was running really rough, and it obviously was because it was old fuel, but that is now running pretty spot on. I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. What do you guys think? Bearing in mind the last time it ran was several months ago and it was running really rough. Now I put some decent fresh fuel in it, it's running sweet. I'm happy with that. Bro. Right, so what I'm going to do over time is I'm going to do some progress videos as I do work on the car. So as I do bits of welding, I'll do a video to show you the progress. I'd love to be able to do live videos, but I ain't got the equipment. I've only got this old iPhone 6s that I'm using at the moment. I would like to get a proper camera and a tripod and everything else and do a proper series of videos. The other thing I have noticed, there is a little bit of smoke on startup. Just see the little bit of smoke in the background, but in the past it used to smoke quite bad, and I did the head gasket, I've done the valve stem oil seals as well, but it was still smoking a bit. But I think it was just I didn't give it enough time for the stuff to burn off. So anyway, it's running sweet at the moment, so until next time I shall leave it there. If you want to keep following progress on my different cars, because I'm going to do some progress on the Cavalier convertible as well, and then please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and then you can see when I upload videos. So yeah, alright then guys, so until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon. Cheers, bye.